Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Today I am going to, have you been looking out for some good affordable lip scrub? If you are a person who is always in search for some good lip scrub, then definitely our search ends over here. I have got a first impression as well as my thought on this particular product. It is from Sugar Cosmetics. It is their lip service scrub. Right, this is the particular, it is there, they have come up with a new range, exactly not new, of course you can say new range. It is their lip service. Okay, in lip service they have tint remover as well as sugar scrub. So I am talking about today this product. It is from lip sugar scrub. It retails for 399 rupees and you get 7.5 gram in this. It comes in this kind of box as I showed you. On the one side they have given you cruelty free product, each and every other details where it is manufactured and everything is given. On the other side, when you flip the box, you have all the detailed ingredients list is given over here. This product is made in PRC, 399 for 7.5 gram if I have not mentioned. Okay, when you open the box, both the product, their sugar scrub as well as the lip tint remover looks the same, but this is the product. Okay, it is given over here, lip service sugar scrub, right? Each and every other details are also mentioned over here, as well as the manufacturing and expiry is given over here. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. It is printed over here, but it is in the black font. I'm not sure. If it is not, then if you cannot see this properly, then you have to use this. You have to keep this box, otherwise you can throw away and you can just keep this box if at all it is occupying your space in vanity. Right, now I have given you each and every detail about this product. I'll just tell you what the key ingredients this has, because without key ingredient you won't be able to know what exactly they have the ingredients as their key features. I mean to say key features. I have just taken out Sugar's website and I'm reading it from there. The ultra hydrating lip scrub with microfine sugar particles buffs away dry chapped lips. White karate shea butter and vitamin E nourish, soothe and heal your pout. Packed with high concentration of natural vitamin and fatty acids, karate shea butter moisturizes the lips. It also protects from the harsh environment elements, locks in moisture and prevents lip dryness and flakiness. Right, the lip scrub is enriched with skin conditioning agents that keeps your lips super and smooth, healthy. Right, and the last point is the crystalline smooth sugar based formula dissolved to leave behind a buttery soft film. It smooths and preps lips, creating a clean canvas for your lipstick to glide on flawlessly. Use this scrub to get smoother, plumper lips and for flawless lipstick application. Cruelty free, gluten free, vegan and free from parabens, talc and E5. That is what they have given you, right? And it is like each and every detail is given over here. But whenever you are using lip scrub, just keep in mind you should not use more than maximum 2 to 3 times, not more than that, right? That is what is mentioned on the website also, and that is what everywhere is mentioned, that whenever you are using any kind of scrubs, you should use either 2 or max to max 3 times. That I think you all must be aware, but I am just telling you. Right, now what we will do is we will just move towards the application part. Yes, now I am back without any lipstick and all. What we'll do is, it is same as like I'll show you how to, like I'm just taking, this is the consistency of the lip scrub. Okay, what we'll do is, because in this they have not specified that you have to wet your lips, so this is my lips without anything. I'll just take up this lip scrub. They say you have to just move your fingers in round rotating motion, so I'm doing that only. Y'all can see, they say either you rub it with the paper towel or you can use a napkin to exfoliate. So this is a plain napkin. You all can see it's already removed. Of course, I do not have chapped lips or anything, so definitely I cannot comment on the chapped lips whether it will work or no, but definitely it gives my lips, and after like exfoliating also my lips doesn't feel dry. It feels like I have moisturized. Even you can see on the lips also, it is giving me some kind of shine to my lips. It is not like not at all drying. So what I'll do is I'll just quick fix this lip part, and I'll come back after fixing it. Now you all have seen the application and everything. See, basically I cannot comment on the chapped lip part because I don't have chapped lips. My lips are pretty smooth, but definitely I can comment that when I use the scrub, my after like wiping off with the like towel, my lips was not feeling at all dry. They are like pretty smooth, comfortable, and I was feeling like I have applied some kind of lip balm. That is, I have given some moisturization on my lips. I was feeling that comfortable, because sometimes when you use sugar scrub or something, you feel dry on your lips. That is, you feel very flaky and all, but I was not feeling such. I was not having that kind of feeling on my lips. So if you ask me my final thought, then I will definitely say 399 rupees. Definitely you can go for this product, and if at all this goes on sale, definitely you can keep in stock also, because the shelf life of this product is 3 years. If at all I have not mentioned, the shelf life is 3 years. So you can go ahead and you can keep it in stock. And if you ask me, I have actually 2-3 more scrubs. So for me, I will use up this first, and then I will complete that, and then again whenever I feel in need, I will go ahead and buy this product. I think you will find my review helpful. If at all yes, give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. I'll ask also them to subscribe my channel. Keep the notification bell button on, that is select all, otherwise you will not get the notifications from YouTube and you will not be able to see my uploads, right? And if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, definitely you can leave a comment down below in the comment section, or else you can comment, you can DM me on Instagram also. The handle of Instagram will also be given in the description box. You can comment on, you can DM me on Instagram as well, right? And yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.